Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make an Acorn avatar in Roblox. First, open the Roblox avatar editor. You will need to search for specific items to achieve the Acorn look. Focus on finding a brown body, a cap-like head accessory, and perhaps some leafy details. Many free and affordable options are available to start building your unique, nature-inspired character. Now let's gather the essential pieces. Start by choosing a round, brown body. Many options exist, so pick one that feels right for your acorn. Next, search for a head accessory that looks like an acorn cap. There are various hats and hairpieces that can achieve this effect. Finally, adjust your avatar's skin tone to a warm brown or tan to complete the basic acorn appearance. To truly bring your acorn to life, consider adding some fun accessories. Look for leafy attachments, small branch items, or even a tiny stem for the top of your cap. You can also customize facial features to give your acorn a friendly or whimsical expression. Don't be afraid to play with different shades of brown, green, and even a touch of orange to add depth and personality to your unique creation. Once you are happy with your acorn avatar, make sure to save it to your Roblox profile. You can then show off your unique creation to friends and the wider Roblox community. It's always fun to see how others react to your creative designs. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to enhance your gaming setup and everyday life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.